What is the average cost of a 10 by 20 concrete patio installation?
Hello there, home improvement enthusiasts. Today, we're going to delve into a common question that many homeowners have on their minds. What is the average cost of a 10 by 20 concrete patio installation? It's an excellent question because knowing the potential costs can help you plan and budget for your project.
The basic costs of concrete patio installation.
To start off, it's important to note that the cost of concrete patio installation can vary widely depending on your location, the complexity of the project, the type of concrete you choose, and the labor costs in your area. However, a basic, simple 10 by 20 concrete patio installation can generally range from $4 to $10 per square foot, meaning you can expect to pay around $800 to $2,000 for the concrete slab itself.
Considering additional costs.
But remember, that's just the cost of the concrete slab. There are additional costs to consider, such as excavation costs, if the area needs to be cleared and prepared. The cost of concrete delivery, which varies by distance and quantity. Finishing costs, if you want a special finish on the concrete, like stamped or colored concrete. And lastly, labor costs, which vary widely depending on where you live. When these costs are included, you could be looking at an overall price tag ranging from $1,000 to $9,000 or more for a 10 by 20 concrete patio installation.
Factors affecting the total cost.
Remember, these are just averages and your actual cost could be lower or higher. Several factors can affect the total cost, such as the complexity of the project. If you want a custom design, special finishes, or added features like a fire pit, these will add to the cost. Your location. Costs can vary widely by region due to differences in the cost of living and labor rates. The condition of the site. If the site needs a lot of prep work, like removing old concrete or dealing with drainage issues, this will also add to the cost. So there you have it. While the average cost of a 10 by 20 concrete patio installation can range quite widely, being aware of the potential costs can help you plan your project and budget accordingly. Remember, it's always a good idea to get several quotes from different contractors to ensure you're getting a fair price. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your patio project.